I am back with another video. Though I've just made one, but I'm not gonna post it because I messed it up and I wasn't able with it. The 3 planes, I'll show you them. The first one with a folded back tip. Another one that's just the tip that is messed up. The last one, it's got, when you close it, it's got flights on it. So let's go ahead and do this one. The one that has the folded tip. Okay, not that far. Let's do the one with the folded wings. And I dropped it. Trying to fix it. Oh, wow. And then let's do this one. Yep, that was the winner. This one, throw in the trash. This one, throw in the trash. This one's the winner. This one is the champion. Now I'm gonna throw all these away, and I'm probably gonna make another video with new ones and better ones. Probably just gonna wait. Let me pick these 2 garbagey ones up. This one and this one. Take it over here to the bird pile. These are garbage. Complete garbage. Those are complete garbage. Okay, sorry. The bird pile. Drop you in there. Walk over here to the shop. Let's walk over here. And we will, we'll just leave that one there because that one's a good one. And then we'll go get a lighter. We'll burn them. We'll burn everything in the bird pile. Go walk up. Bird.